This will be a drop test of the iPhone XR or the iPhone XR, whatever you want to call this device. I have the XR in blue here, so you can see, in this beautiful sky blue. So let's check out the phone real quick. Here's the screen, working just fine. Let's take a look at the corners real quick. Pre-drop, nothing wrong with this phone. Totally clean, brand new from Apple. Take a look at the camera lens, if you can see that. Brand new device. So I'll just be doing a series of drops here. On the ground I have, that's the Galaxy Note 9 that's gonna be filming in slow motion. And then over here is the iPhone XS Max. All right, the first drop is gonna be from, I'd say, about pocket level. I'm about 6 feet tall, so it's about 3 feet. And I'm gonna just drop it straight down onto the backside. Okay, about, like I said, pocket level, maybe about 3 feet or so, somewhere around there. So I'm just gonna do it right now. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Ooh! Oh man. So I'm gonna check the slow-mo after, but that was just a simple drop on the backside from about 3 feet or so, and check out the damage already. Wow, I was not expecting this. Look at the spider web right there. Oh ho 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 ho, boy. Wow. I was not expecting this on the first drop. And look at this. Wow. Let's take a look at the camera lens. And right there, is that a chip on the lens in that area? No, that was just some debris. Okay. So that was, okay, a little bit of a chip on the corner right there at the edge of my thumb. If you can see that on the left side of the camera lens. Actually, no, it's not. Let me blow. Okay, I'm looking at the camera lens right now and it's clean. Totally clean. All right, but take a look at the damage to the back glass. It'd be cool if I had a black 10R, that'd be cool too, but wow. Okay, any other damage in the corners? Nope, corners are totally clean. Frame is clean. Obviously no damage to the front. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop this phone now. Same drop, but on the screen side down, about 3 feet. Oh man, if the screen already gets messed up after this 3-foot drop, this might be a short video, but we'll see what happens right now. Okay, about 3 feet or so, just straight down to the ground, face down, so you can see. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. All right, let me go get it. Do I want to flip this phone over right now? Oh, all right, nothing too bad. Okay, scuff mark here on the upper left. See if I can take that off. Okay, a little bit of a mark there. A little bit of damage on the frame of the device. As you can see. Okay, and what is this on the bottom left? Let me try to. Okay, take a look at this damage right here. In that corner. And a little bit here on the right corner, right bottom corner. Nothing too serious. And on top, it's fairly clean, still on top. All right, excellent. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is, I'm gonna do a random drop where, let's say you're in a scenario, you're taking out of your pocket, you're walking around, you're taking the phone out of your pocket, something happens, slips out of your hand at about pocket height, and you just drop your phone. This will be a random drop. So I'm gonna put the phone in my pocket so you can see. Okay, and I'm just gonna drop the phone. I'm gonna do it like this. In 3, 2, 1, So let's check this out. Oh, I think it'll be fine actually. All right. Screen is basically still clean. On the back, same type of damage. Looking at the corners of the device, take a look for yourself. Before I forget, let's turn on the screen. Screen works, as you can see. Let's go to settings right now. Whoops. Yeah, screen works. This back glass is basically cracked, so there's really no point of dropping this again on this side. But what I'm gonna do right now is roughly around 6 feet. I'm just gonna drop it face down to the ground. Now I can't necessarily control how it's gonna land. Once I let the phone go from this height, the phone's gonna have a mind of its own. You know, I can't really control that, but we'll see what happens. So I'm just gonna let it go like this, onto the concrete floor here. 3, 2, 1. Now, that was a loud sound. That was very loud. And then watching it live, I saw a piece of glass fly from the phone. So let's take a look right now. Okay, now that was screen side down. Okay, I'm looking at the back of the phone. There's some new damage here. See, a little bit more of a substantial crack here where my thumb is, in this area. A little bit more damage here on this part of the phone, as you can see. Check that out. So I'm gonna flip the phone over now. Oh my goodness, look at this display. Now what is this on the corner? Okay, a little bit of damage here where my thumb is. But other than that, this held up pretty good. Turn on the display. Go to settings. All right, so you can see, scrolling is fine. All right, so didn't really do any damage on the display here. Now, what is this one? Is this Gorilla Glass 6, 5 or 6? I don't know, one of those. So it's holding up pretty well, the display side of the glass. So I'm gonna do that one more time. I wanna see if I can crack this display in the middle. All right, so I'm gonna do that one more time. Okay, if I crack the display, great. If not, then I'm gonna give the win to the iPhone XR. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I think that landed more in the corner. So let's check the phone. Okay, here's the back again. And let's take a look at the corner right here. Yeah, see? I was watching it live and that's where it landed. Let's take a look at this corner. So you can see right there. Oh, here we go. Okay, now the display is cracked. Let me see. If you can see that, there's a crack going across the display now. I don't feel it with my finger. It's like running under the glass or something. Yeah, the display is still smooth, but you can see there's the crack right there. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. It's kind of bright out here, but see if I can get in close. Yeah, you see that right there? Right there. Let's see if the display works. Display still works. Check that out. Nice. All right. Cool. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this drop test. Just seeing what kind of damage or what kind of beating this phone can take, the iPhone XR. Put your phone in a case. Don't risk it. Something like this only needs to happen once. You only need to drop your phone once before something like this can happen. So either put your phone in a case or get Apple Care. Yeah. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this drop test. Thanks for watching. Peace out.